Welcome guys. Now I'm going to give you an introduction to the assembly. For that I will use simple blocks. So let's create 50 here and 50 here. Enter and exit, and it's going to be mid plane and 50. Enter. So that's one of the blocks that we will use for assembly to show you how the assembly works. So we will have to save this part first of all. If you don't save it, you will not be able to complete the task. So assembly 1, it's going to be, say, assembly sm part. Control new, start the assembly and click OK. Assembly module will offer you that part. So now in fact we are in the assembly module. So here's the part available that we have just saved. So I would like to pick the part and select the part and part. When you bring your mouse cursor in the environment, screen environment, you will be able to see this part, but do not drop it. The formal way of importing a part, the first part that will be fixed is you have to mate the origin. So if you could click the design manager tree that will appear here, click the small arrow, and then you see the origin. You click the origin, and part origin and the assembly origin has been now connected together, as all the parts that you will create will have an origin, which is here. Look, that's the original part origin, and this is the assembly origin. Both are at the same place, right? So now this part we cannot move, but if you want to copy the part, you will have to press Control and hold, pick the part and drag one out. So now we have got one more part here, which is copy of this part. Whatever changes you will make in this part, it will reflect into the other part as well. Let's go on to the point here. I want to assemble this part, the bottom face to this face. Remember, if it's a square block, you will need 3 faces to be mated. So that's the first face, okay, that will lock the height. The second face will be this one and this one, that will align it one way, and this one and this one that will align the other way. So that's the proper way of assembling the parts. So let's go into assembly tab, select mate, and let's select the faces. So bottom face to the top face, it has moved. Now the right face to the right face, it has aligned, and left face to the left face, that's aligned, and click OK, and that's the assembly done. Thank you very much for watching.